You've been talking about the fact that how the police in fact should be going about registering these crimes, especially that of missing women. In this particular case, there are just so many discrepancies. Also, the role of the family here, which is upsetting, given that the father didn't even know that his child, his young daughter, was missing for many months until the time the friends informed the father. What could have been done better? How could have this case been handled better?
See, there are a lot of lessons to be learned. There are two aspects of this case to my mind. One is the police investigation, which is happening at breakneck speed. And I have no doubt that with the kind of experience Delhi police has had in these kinds of cases, it will do a solid good job. And I also hope the judiciary will expedite the trial of this case. So as far as it's a lot of forensic science involved, a lot of DNA involved, because it has to be linked. The weapon has to be yet recovered. So there's a lot of work yet, and brain mapping, the lie detector. So there's a lot of scientific evidence required to be collected and implemented. That will be the police angle, which we'll keep hearing as the 90 days when the case is charge sheeted before the court. As far as the parents is concerned, I think I've been repeatedly saying that the primary responsibility of the parents is to provide security to their children.
Yes.
Boys do take care of themselves to a great extent, but girls need to be made bolder and courageous as they are groomed. Now, what is that bold and courageous I meant? I meant that they should be told of the challenges and realities of life as they move into relationships. Well, they will move into relationships, that's a human need, but not to accept disrespect to their self-respect, or not to get humiliated, or not to get attacked, not to be victims of violence. I think that grooming by the parents and the teachers in the classrooms for girls, while boys have to be told to be responsible, but the girls need to be told to be trained to be bold and courageous, and parents should not give up. They should not give up. If supposing a decision a daughter has taken, which is not in consonance with their thinking, they ought not to give up on their children, because that's their primary responsibility, to keep track at least of the girls. At least of the girls, because women are vulnerable to certain issues. So therefore, I would think the parents have a very important role. Even if the girl says, I've got nothing to do with you, parents must keep track of their daughters.
I don't read the news. I read between the lines to tell you the true version of events, the true story of our times.
To document grief, the toughest assignment for any journalist to be.
From those who matter.
Women politicians going to stick up for each other.
Of those who should matter. I document the truth. I don't distort the truth. I don't glamorize the truth. I don't gloss over the truth.
The ghosts of India's contentious medieval history have come knocking again.
I hustle for the truth. On the ground, in the newsroom, in the studio. I don't try to grab eyeballs.
I inform you to make you see the point.
To the Point with Preeti Chaudhary. At these times, only on India Today.